So we're going to do 6C, which is addition and subtraction formulas. We're going to find the exact value of cosine of negative 75 degrees. So the first thing you want to do is look at your formula sheet. It's not on my computer, but it's next to me, and you want to find cosine. So the two cosine formulas is cosine s plus t or cosine s minus t. And since we want to find a negative 75 degrees, then we want to do s minus t so that we can get a negative number. So you'll want to look at your unit circle and figure out which 2 degrees on your unit circle will equal negative 75. So I'm going to use 60 minus 135. So we're going to do cosine, and we're going to make 60 our s and minus 135, which will be our t. And so you want to look at that. Oops. My bad. So cosine 60 minus 135, and you want to plug that in to the equation. So cosine s is 60 times cosine t, which is 135. Why did it do that? I'm low-key struggling. It's fine. I'm not recording this video an 800th time. 135, which is our t, plus sine s times sine t. So you want to go back to your unit circle and figure out, and I can't leave the drawing, so I'll just tell you what it is. So you want to find sine or cosine 60. Cosine is your x value, sine is your y value. So cosine 60 is 1/2. Cosine 135 is negative square root of 2 over 2. Sine 60 is square root of 3 over 2. And sine 135 is square root of 2 over 2. And then it's still plus. So you want to combine all these. So you get negative square root of 2 over 4 plus square root of 6 over 4. And you put those together to get, I'm going to put it in this order, square root of 6 minus 2 over 4. And that is your final answer.